Kids Zone
Hello,
with
friends.
Trishy.
Today we're going to learn about weather, about what the weather is. Are you ready? Let's go. Today the weather is sunny. The sun is out. When the sun is out, it's very warm. Today's weather is stormy. That means it's a little dark outside and there's lots of gray clouds in the sky. And it could be raining and thundering. Today's weather is snowy. Snow comes down. It's rain that gets really cold and freezes up. That's called snow. Do you like to build snowmen? Yeah. Today's weather is cloudy. That means there's a lot of fluffy white clouds in the sky. Today's weather is rainy. That means a lot of rain is coming down from the sky. Water that comes down from the sky is called rain. Today's weather is sunny and rainy. That means the sun is out shining, but it's raining. Have you ever seen a rainbow? Today's weather is windy. Windy. When it's windy, that means the air is blowing really, really fast. Little cloud. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky. Little cloud trailed behind. The clouds pushed upward and away. Little cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the houses and the trees. The clouds moved out of sight. Little cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little cloud changed into a sheep. Sheep and clouds sometimes look alike. Little cloud changed into an airplane. Little cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little cloud changed into a shark. Little cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little cloud changed into two trees. Little cloud liked the way trees never moved and stayed in one place. Little cloud changed into a rabbit. Little cloud loved to watch rabbits dash across the meadows. Then little cloud changed into a hat because little cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little cloud, they called, come back. Little cloud drifted towards the clouds. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud and rained. The end.